Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Redmi watch. In today's video we will see what we have in the package, what we have in the software, what option do we have there, and we will run some tests, see how these options will work. And in the next video we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So stay tuned for all of these videos so you get to learn about this device. So let's begin here immediately. As you can see, the box is in front of us, very good package, and it's a little bit damp from the shipping. That is one downside, but it's not the fault of the Redmi. As you can see in the back, it's all in Chinese, but we can understand a couple of things from the images. We have sports, NFC, and waterproof resistant 5 ATM. When you open up the box, it will reveal immediately the watch itself. You can see the Redmi watch for the first time. In the front page from the screen protector, as you can see, it says designed by Xiaomi. Let's take this off. You can see it's very good secured there, so it's not damaged, only the box is damaged. In the box itself we have the user manual and the charger. You can see the charger is very big. I didn't expect this to be this big. And a very good and long cable, very good quality as well. The user manual is all in Chinese. Again, we can only understand a couple of things here and there from the images. So let's begin here by peeling this off, and you can see we have only one button in the side. Let's power it on and see what this watch will gives us. We have the Redmi logo immediately, and the watch is powered on. 1.4-inch screen, and we have multiple screen faces, like you can see right here. Press and hold to change them. Other than that, in this watch we have over 120 faces that we can download in the app. 7 sport modes that we will see later. We have heart rate monitoring and sleep monitoring. We don't have GPS, we have NFC instead. We have microphone, 5 ATM waterproof like I said before, Bluetooth 5.0, and different sensors that it will help us while we are doing some activities, like heart rate sensor, geogenetic, compass, 6-axis motion sensor, accelerator meter, etc. You can see at the top we have notifications. Down we have the taskbar with different options like settings, brightness, do not disturb, flashlight, etc. In the left we have calories, in the right we have heart rate, sleep, Chinese, which I don't understand. We have Alipay, weather, and we have the music control. If you press the button you enter the menu, as you can see, starting from the workouts, activities, workouts, record, heart rate, sleep, breathing exercise, which we will try later, all of these. We have the cards where we can pay, Alipay, music control that we saw before. We have alarms, which we can add here and in the app as well, stopwatch, timer, compass. This is how the compass will look like after you calibrate it. We have messages, find phone. When you connect you can find your phone, the flashlight that we saw in the taskbar, and we have help in case you need so, and the settings as well. Here in the settings we have the watch faces, brightness, you can auto adjust or adjust it yourself, 6 different levels of brightness, and you can see other than that we have do not disturb, raise to wake, heart rate, idle alert. And in the third page we have auto lock, vibration, password, and we have system settings and about. So this is all that we have in the software of the Redmi watch. Now let's begin with some tests and see how to function it. You can see this watch face gives us the opportunity to measure our heart rate. In the first page you can go in the right side and find your heart rate, or you can find your heart rate in the menu. So here at the workouts we have outdoor running, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, freestyle, walking, and swimming. As we mentioned before, it's 5 ATM waterproof, so we can go swim with it. So let's begin here and press go. As you can see, 3-second countdown, and it will start immediately. We have the time at the top, kilometers, heart rate, steps, and seconds. In the second page we have previous kilometer, average pace, and current pace per kilometer. And in the third page we have calories and seconds. So you can see we have quite a few options and things to see about our journey or health in general. And basically for me these are enough. I'm quite enjoying these options. The next option that we can try is the heart rate, which we saw before. Tap to measure. You can see this is how it will look while it's measuring, and it will vibrate to tell you that the final result is done. Breathing is the third option that we can try. We can set the time or change the mode rate. I'm going to light these in default, 3-second countdown, and you have to inhale and exhale like it says in the watch. This option will help you reduce stress and lower your heart rate. We don't have anything else to test here, so guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.